We've touched on quality hardware before. I think we can expound on that a little bit further. We really, there are thousands of different desktops and laptops. There's hundreds of different firewall providers, all of these different things, right? And we really believe that we've come up with a recipe, and it's for the betterment of our clients, right? We believe that these models of laptops and desktops are the best thing. We've seen their reliability in our fleet of customers, 2,500 plus endpoints. We quickly find out, which laptops aren't going to be reliable and which ones have, common issues and things like that. And we kind of take those out of our sales portfolio. And so it's important, I think, to work with an IT company who cares about standards, right? Let's only roll good quality laptops and desktops that are going to work, right? As well, right, a provider who's going to maybe even give you or provide you the firewalls and the antivirus software and the backup and disaster recovery solutions, right? It's also good from their perspective because then they're highly educated, highly trained on these units versus, we've got to support, 15 different car manufacturers, right? You classically see that with the European cars. You go to a European auto mechanic, right? So that they're familiar with that stuff. I think the same is true with us, right? Getting somebody who's more qualified in a smaller, narrow portfolio of products benefits you. You're going to be subscribed and use those same, pieces of hardware, laptops, workstations, everything else. This stuff is going to be quality. It's going to be reliable so that your team can trust it, and they're going to be, more productive versus have issues and outages, from whatever it may be. And your provider is going to be efficient as well in supporting and getting you resolution to the issues that, inevitably happen with technology.